Okay, this is the way I set up using a calendar for facility rental for teams. So when you're logged in, if you go up to Teams, you'll see Sports Facility Rental, and I have one for each of the 3 seasons. And click on that. It'll come up to this. Go to the schedule, and you can easily just put in a game or practice. If you add this, 2 ways you can do this. You have a little bit of flexibility on this. If you use game, you can put in the date and a time, at least starting time. I know you may want ending time, but we'll discuss that in a minute. You don't put that in, but location you do select. So we're going to use the turf field. Don't use these things. The next thing you do is just the last part, just put in a title. So whatever the particular team is. And then what I would say here is put in the stop time. Okay, and I'll show you what this looks like in a minute. Okay, so we've added a game and given the starting time, where it is, and this little title. So I'm going to save and add another. In this case, I'm going to add a practice. So here we can do the same thing. We can put a date, and then I can put a starting time, 30, and going to 8:30, and going to select turf field again. And so now we have starting and stop time here. But notice we don't have a title, but we can put notes. So we're going to just say Team B Field Rental. So it's a little bit different. So I'm going to save that, and then we'll go and look at see what it looks like. So save that. All right, so now here it shows up. So now where do you actually see this other than this? Well, if you go to your calendar, where you have games and practices, it shows up there. So anybody who has this group, sports facility user, that's where you would see it on where you just hit calendar. The other place you can see it is if you go to on campus, and under procedures, athletic event management, and you click calendar grid, you'll see it's there as well. Here are the ones I put in earlier. Here are the ones that I just put in for this test. So note the one that's the game, it shows the location, and then this is the start time, and there's the stop time. On the other one, it shows the start time, but we didn't have a title, so it doesn't say stop time there. But if you click directions and details, it comes up and shows you 6:30 to 8:30. So you decide which one's going to be better for you, whether you want to put in a game as a game or you want to put it in as a practice. It doesn't matter, because basically you're just trying to show what time period it's being used, so you don't have any conflicts. So that's it. If there are problems with this, or you want to tweak it, or you want to go a different direction, you just need to let me know.